Kung nasaktan ka nila dati, well, take the higher road, sabi nga. At ikaw na ang magpatawad kahit ikaw yung nagawan ng hindi maganda. Sabi nga sa kanta, di ba? When you're weary, feeling small. Mangyayari talaga yon. When tears are in your eyes, I will dry them all. Sana merong tao sa buhay mo na ganyan. Diba? I'm on your side. And may mga iba, wala akong ganyang kaibigan, wala ring nagmamahal sa aking pamilya. And I think that is the beauty of our faith, yung paniniwala natin na merong Diyos, that yung presence niya, diba, can be our bridge over troubled water. Kaya, yung alam mo lang na may kasama ka, diba? So yun, kaibigan. I hope, sana'y nakakatulong sa inyo yung ating episode ngayong tanghali. Weng, I hope you're listening. So that's why, sit with your pain, yes. But don't marinate in it. Nasaktan ako dun you know. But don't marinate in it. Huwag yung tagal-tagal na taon na nagmamarinate ka pa. Diba? Doon sa pain na yun. Huwag na. You know. Lahat tayo merong moments of darkness. Lahat tayo talaga. When tears are in your eyes. Meron talagang ganong moment sa buhay mo. No one is exempt from the struggle. Balik na naman ako kay Jesus. Kasi syempre yun ang reflection natin ngayon Lenten season. Diba? Parang, even Jesus was not exempt from struggle. At grabe yung struggle niya. I minsan when I watch movies about Jesus and his suffering and his crucifixion and all, minsan naiyak pa rin ako. But then again, sabi ko, I think that is the beauty of his message, di ba? Na sobra niya tayo talagang minahal. At hindi kahinaan yung pagtanggap niya nung crucifixion niya. Ayan. So that's why, dear friends, love is required, is a prerequisite in healing and reconciliation. Love is required in continuing the communication, yung pag-uusap, yung pagtuloy ng pag-uusap, kahit na ilang taon ka na nilang hindi pinapansin. You know, like a bridge over troubled water, I will ease your mind. Ease your mind. Kaya ako ayoko masyadong nag-hold on sa mga galit ko kasi it doesn't ease my mind Alam mo yun? Naamoy mo lang yung something that reminds them of you. May nakita ka lang, na-high blood ka na naman, di ba? So, hindi, hindi, hindi makakatulong sa'yo ang manatili doon sa sakit na nararanasan mo o doon sa kwento na nakapagpalungkot sa'yo or nakasira ng inyong relationship. Remember, uh, yung totoong lakas natin comes from our relationships. Alright, dear friends?